How to find leads using Lev8 AI. First, open your web browser and go to the official Lev8 AI website. Then, sign into your account or create one if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Find Leads, Prospects, or New Search, depending on the current interface. Next, enter your search criteria. For example, find SF Bay Area voice AI startups that raised $1 million plus and shipped a production product in the past year. After setting your filters, click Send or Generate Leads. Lev8 AI will analyze the available data and display a list of potential leads that match your criteria. Review the results. If your plan supports it, save promising leads to a list, export them, or share. You can also refine your search filters to improve the quality of your results. Finally, organize your lead list and begin your outreach using your preferred email or Slack. That's it. You've successfully found leads using Lev8 AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI.